An unemployed man succumbed to his injuries after being beaten by a group of men on Friday for allegedly stealing a handphone in Penang. Police have arrested a lorry driver to facilitate investigations. Seberang Pride Tengah OCPD ACP Rosli Muhammad Noor said 38-year-old Uwi Sim Guan died around 12:40 a.m. at the Bukit Mertajam Hospital today after slipping into a coma for 36 hours. On Friday, Uwi was beaten up by a lorry driver and a group of men after being caught stealing a handphone. A video recording of the victim who was tied up and beaten by the men has gone viral on social networking sites.
Itu dia syakti lelaki Cina ini mengambil telefon beliau. Beliau kemudian mencari lelaki tersebut dan dijumpai di kawasan kedai di taman berkenaan. Daripada situ pemandu tadi dapat balik telefon dia. Kemudian penduduk di situ dapat mengetahui bahawasanya ada kecurian itu datang dan mungkin berlaku sedikit pukul atau bagaimana kita tak pasti. Dan lelaki itu kemudian pingsan dan dibawa ke hospital pada hari berkenaan juga. Dan pada malam tadi, lebih kurang pukul 12.40 malam tadi, disahkan meninggal dunia oleh pihak hospital.
The case has been classified as murder and police are looking for several more suspects to assist in investigations. Rosli warned the public not to take the law into their own hands when making a public arrest and should immediately surrender the suspect to the police.